Okay, I don't have a job number to this yet. I just got called out here to Northwest University in Kirkland at building 6710. This is something that, this is a property we were out at this summer and did all this striping. But they need us to do some asphalt work and a little bit of striping and a little bit of concrete work possibly during the Christmas break, which I think is from December 17th to the second week of January. But here at building 6710, I'm going to take you up the hill and around the corner and show you an asphalt patch that needs to be done. Okay, so I'm up here at the corner. Before I give you the measurements, this is a private job, not prevailing wage, because of it being a private school. But up here at the corner, you've got a 12 by 29 foot patch that's been patched once, but it's continued to fail. So needs to be redone. And I would say we need to probably bring in a little bit of gravel and recompact this area. If not, just regrade it in there and get it compact real well, because it's starting to sink in a couple areas again. So that's it at this building. As you can see, there's lots of parking availability up here for us to pull in. There's only one entrance in and out, but plenty of area for staging. Okay, so that's this, and I'm going to take you over to the main campus. On that patch, by the way, on that 29 by 12, it's a 2-inch depth on that. So 2-inch remove, 2-inch placement. Okay, so as you come into the main entrance, you take a left, the first left here, and this is going down 109th lane, northeast. You get yourself towards the back of this property on the north end, and there's a small pothole that needs to be replaced. And this pothole is going to be a 6-foot by 12-foot pothole to be repaired, and I'm pulling up to it right now over the speed bump. Okay, so I'll have this marked on a map. This little pothole right here needs to be replaced, and I'll probably mark it with some of my spray paint right now. But we're gonna go 2 feet back this way, come 6 feet out, and then 12 feet down. Just a rectangular patch to get this alligator cracking and a little bit of sinking that's going on right here. I would say on this right here, let's do 3-inch depth remove and then placement. Okay, and as you come around the corner here, there's a couple curb islands, or planters I should say, that need to be replaced. Starting back from where the red stops all the way up around the corner, we need it bullnosed, and then take it to there. We've got 30 feet of curb there that needs to be removed and replaced, 6 by 8 inch. And then you've got from this joint, let's see, that joint right there, and all the way around the corner and then to the next joint. We've got 30 feet there. Red painted curb. There'll be a total of 25 feet of red painted curb to do here. All right, and I believe this is behind, well, I'd say it's behind the cafe, but I'm not positive. I'll have it marked on a map so you know exactly where it's at. Let me take, okay. Sorry about that, just dropped you. I'm gonna take you to another area that has some striping and concrete repairs. Hold on. Okay, so there's the pothole that I just passed that we talked about earlier. And over here at this building, I'm not sure what the number is on this building, but there's this blue dumpster. And both of these stalls right here need to be cross-hatched with white. So I would say just continue off of this cross-hatching and go this direction. It doesn't have to line up with this. Go off of this cross-hatching and then do all of these two spots right here. with cross hatching. So that's going to be roughly a 16 by 16. Let me take the other area. Okay, so now I'm on Northeast 58th Way, and as you come up the hill here, there's a couple spots that we need to look at, and I'm going to pull over and show you what we're talking about in a second. Okay, so you have the calf here, otherwise known as the cafe, and there's two things that need to be done. We're going to look at some concrete over here, and we're going to look at some striping that needs to be done here. So there'll be a site map that I'm going to get from Christian here at Northwest University, and he's going to show me what to do here in this area. But across the street where this walkway is, there's a possibility that we might be cross-hatching these two areas out, just so you know. Then right here on this area where the dumpsters are, we need to paint 8 feet of curb. We need to paint it yellow and then repaint this 20, that's about 22 feet of yellow. We need to repaint that. Starting from the sidewalk right there, we need to make a parallel stall that comes out in yellow, a stall line right there, and then from this joint here, a stall line that comes out. It'll be 9 feet down there, and this will be a little bit longer. It'll probably be about 12 feet in order to make this a rectangular shape. This is going to be designated for a van. Then here from the sidewalk, we've got a 6 foot by 35 feet. I'm sorry, it's 40 feet. So 6 foot by 40 foot walkway that comes right off of this sidewalk here. It's just going to be cross-hatching white and tie in to that walkway on the other side of that black car. So that means that the white parallel parking stall line underneath needs to be grayed out, not black, but grayed out. This needs to be grayed out at the T. And then I believe there's a line underneath here that needs to be grayed out. And what we're going to do is we're going to move these two stalls